If you can't manage your money, you won't get wealthy. I'll demonstrate the banking secrets that only the wealthy know today. How do banks profit from you, and what should be done with the money to prevent it from ending up in the clutches of avaricious bankers? Become rich if you follow these secrets of the banks. Right now. A bank is a good place to store your money, as would be evident, except for the billionaire Sir Henry Ford, who opines that it's a good thing that many people don't even understand how the banking system works, because a revolution would result from that. The factor contributing to the wealth imbalance in the world is that financial literacy is still not very high. Several decades before the Bank of England's founding in 1694, the Banco, or Bank of Stockholm, founded in 1656, and the forerunner of the modern Bank of Sweden, is known to have issued banknotes. The introduction of bank money made it easier for bankers to offer credit by reducing the number of their clients would feel the need to withdraw cash. The majority of bank assets are made from different types of loans, marketable securities, and base money reserves, which may be held as physical central bank notes and coins or as a credit deposit balance with the central bank. Your bank undoubtedly holds secrets, and I will now provide you with more information about them. Money should not be kept in banks. One of the most dependable strategies for passive income is deposits. The main issue is that in many nations, this source of income is ineffective because deposits' interest rates can never keep up with inflation. For instance, the major Swiss banks give a deposit interest rate of no more than 0.5 to 1.5%. That's according to statistics from 2020. However, this rate is 1.5 to 2% on average. We can infer that inflation will fully earn your money. However, it is profitable for banks to keep this money and allow people to open deposits at a small interest rate. They give money to other clients in loans with a slightly higher interest rate, making money on the difference between the two interest rates. Banks frequently lower interest rates on purpose because they do not benefit from your wealth. In addition, the government is likewise concerned about these financial tricks. Banks encourage money circulation. The ultra-wealthy are seeking ways to secure their riches because this indicates that the government now has some control over the citizens' money, in addition to the owner having access to the deposit. The bank's largest clients are other banks. Banks are there to benefit themselves. Serving a different customer comes second. Any cash placed into a bank becomes that institution's asset. The bank still owns all of the money it has borrowed. The bank is practically in a win-win situation. It always acts in its own best interest as a result. Banks would never stand up for the individual who maintains their money. They compete for greater interest and power. The truth is that once your money is in the bank, it ceases to be solely your property and becomes a bank asset. Banks won't lend money to those who appear to be in need. In the world's best-dressed professions, bankers are conscious or unconscious judges of others' appearance and receive an annual bonus for the loans they issue. Like any other business, banks are an entity. If the company's strategy isn't successful, it won't survive because they have shareholders to whom they are responsible. Because of this, they feel far more comfortable lending money to someone wealthy than poor. Of course, the information I provided today does not compel you to stop doing business with banks. Just a few aspects of managing your finances are worth considering. For instance, investing money or investing in a business may be preferable to make a deposit, and occasionally paying in cash is preferable to using your credit card to avoid becoming a victim of shadow banking. Don't be duped by the system. It's the only way to become wealthy in the modern world. That is all for today.
If you don't love your work, you're never going to be great at it. You guys will find that you have passions, and having a passion is a gift. I think we all have passions, and you don't get to choose them. They pick you, but you have to be alert to them. You have to be looking for them. And when you find your passion, it's a fantastic gift for you.